Good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone had a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. Nice long weekend. A lot of relaxation, partying going on. Nice. So today's show is going to be real nice. We're going to do some trading. I'm going to show you all about the level 2 today because there's a lot of people out there now that think they're the greatest trader and the greatest teacher. And they may be, but they're teaching the opposite of what I've learned and what I've done for the last 30 years. And my system and what I do off the level 2 is all back tested with data. So there's no refuting any of it. So let's head on over to the Mojo chat room and say hello to the team. See what's going on today. We'll learn how to do the level 2. All right, what's going on there, guys? Morning there, Mr. Ma. Saw a couple of Ram trucks this weekend. So there's my boy, Mr. Ma. Absolutely. We're all going to get in line. A little ching-ching this weekend right there. Everyone's getting in line for the action. Hit that smash and like button, guys. Make that action happen today. And we're going to trade a little AMC again today. That's what we're going to do. A little AMC action today. AMC has been quite the action. Let's show you what's going on right here, what we did already. So right here, there's a couple of screenshots of the level 2. First thing we do is our morning routine where we're scanning for the hottest stocks for volume, float, price, which I like to do every day. I just got a fresh pot of coffee too. It's always on the bottom. So already been able to make money for the day and be done. Let me show you. Looking for patience. Patience. Let me look at my volume levels. Patience, looking for nickels and dimes. That's all you need for AMC is nickels and dimes. And then you may be able to get the occasional 2-minute rail grind. 2-minute rail grind on that sucker would be just beautiful. Get my money action going right there. See that? Yeah, you see that on the screen, a little money. Whew, what a weekend, right? What a weekend. It's nice to be off, but nice to be back on. Now it's game time. Got the mini hinds on AMC through 3020 at the level 2. 3019 by 3020. There's a signal on the ask. See the 60? See that? The 60? That's a large ask. There's a supply. People want to sell on the ask. The left side's the bid, 3019. The right side is the ask, 3020. It's a big seller at 3020. Most people would teach you that's bearish. It's going to go lower, but they're wrong. It's bullish, and it's going to go higher. AMC's rocking today, trading for nickels and dimes easy. See if we can catch the 2-minute rail grind, not the 5-minute, into the mini hinds at 30.50. And there it went, 30.68 by 70 off that signal right there at 30.20. It went 50 cents off that signal. So if you shorted it, you lost big. And the time Right here was 8:05:15. The time here, 8:07:15. 2 minutes. You got destroyed, and if you didn't cover, you really destroyed. Now it's going to go into 30.90. You see the signal right here, the 203 on the ask at 30.78. So if you're short at 30.20, and now you're going to short more thinking there's a big supply there, you're going to be wrong again. A large ask is bullish. It's going higher at 30.78. Here's 30.88, 30.89, going into a high of 94. There's another large ask at 30 is the biggest signal in the level too. So it's showing it's a little bit of an indication because the bid's 20 that it's slightly bullish and going to move higher. And it did. It went 92 by 93. Now the largest number is a 60 and a 50 at 94, but a 41 on the bid, showing big size. So odds are it's very toppy, which I wrote here in the room, very toppy. It's going to go down before it goes up. And here's the down, 30.58 by 59. Excellent call. We're going to pick some up there right off stopping station. Goes right back to 67.70. No signal in the level 2. It's equal on both sides. So you have no idea where it's going. It could go 30.57. It's 30.70. So it's either going 30.80 or 30.60. You don't know because there's no signal in the level 2. And then right here, it firms up a little bit at 30.80. The signal, there is no signal. There's no large number. They're both about equal to 12. It's a little bit balanced right now. And goes 80.85. No signal in the level 2. May go back towards 31 right now and sequence up into the hinds. Then it goes 91.94. There's a 12 on the bid and a 12 size on the ask. It's still equal. Not showing, but it's pulling into the 31. Pulling into the 31 because that's the hinds and the trade play. And there's we got our 31 tapping right there with a penny pincher at 30.99 with huge size at 31. So again, you're short at 30.20. You short it again at the big size at 30.78. Now you're going to short it again at bigger size at 31. Look at the supply there. If I went up to 100 traders and said, would you buy right there? It just came from 30.20. Out of 100 traders, every one of them would say, it's not going higher. Every single one of them would say that. But it did go higher, 31.13 by 14. And look how fast it did it from 849.39 to 849.56. That's called the Heinz trade play. Done for the day. You were wrong because everyone taught you a large ask is bearish, but it's bullish. Look at the bid now. 31.13. That's a big bid. It outweighs the ask by 3 times. It's going lower. A big bid goes lower. A big ask goes higher. Yes, I'm sharing on screen share my Zoom. I'm sharing on screen share my screen, yes. Hey, Alan, good morning. It's in the screen share channel right here. Done. There's the screen share. That's for members. Members get to do that. Anybody else? No screen share for you. No screen share for you. And it's crystal clear screen share. Absolutely. That's what we do. Doing a little swing trading. little swing trading. We did the AMC action. This was the other day. We're off the breaky. Off the little break. We got 19 minutes to the open. This is the DAYTRADING platform, DAYTRADING Pro. You know, you can use DAYTRADING Pro. I use it strictly for the level 2. I'm a level 2 trader. It's called the Montage. The left side, I have it right here on SQQ. It's at 96 by 97. It's going to go through 11. It's going to go through the even number, par. And it's just a beautiful thing. Everything I do is through the even number, par. Let me introduce you to Jesse Livermore. Jesse Livermore, one of the greatest traders of all time, always traded through par. Listen.
So, day after day, broke and anxious to resume trading, I sat in front of a quotation board in another broker's office where I couldn't buy or sell as much as one share of stock, studying the market, not missing a single transaction on the tape, watching for the psychological moment to ring the full speed ahead bell. By reason of conditions known to the whole world, the stock I was most bullish on in those critical days of early 1915 was Bethlehem Steel. I was morally certain it was going way up, but in order to make sure that I would win on my very first play, as I must, I decided to wait until it crossed par. I think I have told you it has been my experience that whenever a stock crosses 100 or 200 or 300 for the first time, it nearly always keeps going up for 30 to 50 points, and after 300 faster than after 100 or 200. One of my first big coups was in Anaconda, which I bought when it crossed 200 and sold a day later at 260. My practice of buying a stock just after it crossed par dated back to my early bucket shop days. It is an old trading principle. You can imagine how keen I was to get back to trading on my old scale. I was so eager to begin that I could not think of anything else. But I held myself in leash. I saw Bethlehem Steel climb every day higher and higher, as I was sure it would.
This is it.
There I was, checking my impulse to run over to Williamson and Brown's office and buy 500 shares. I knew
So my trade play, which I've developed from my own data and research, Jesse Livermore back in the 1900s used this strategy, system, and the strategy of rules on the system. It's a trade play that works with great consistency. Once the price of any futures index or stock approaches the whole number and reaches 90 cents just underneath, momentum and positive expectancy take over, and the price goes through the whole number. At 90, there's a 90% chance the trade will work and go through the number. At 95 cents or $95 or $9,500, it'll roll through the 10. There's a 95% chance there. At 98, there's a 98% chance. And at 99 cents or $99 or $9,900, it's going to roll through 10,000, roll through 1,000, roll through 100, roll through 10, roll through $1. There's a 99% chance it's going to work. And there'll be a large number of shares on the ask, right on the whole number, like I showed you at 31. Just now on AMC, it's very bullish, and it's going to go higher. And why do I call it the Heinz? Because just like a bottle of ketchup, when you open it, it moves very slow in anticipation of going over the rim. You got to tap it a few times. 90, 95, 98. Once it gets close, boom, it's going to fly over the rim, a la the Heinz. This is how the Swing newsletter works. That goes out every Sunday. The Ken Slim system of picking stocks. Developed by William J., editor of IBD, Mojo's proprietary knowledge base applied to stocks in the $1 to $10 range. 3 ways to buy them: going higher, going lower, or staying the same. The rules of the newsletter: how to sell for profits. Listen, when a pick goes up 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, 50%, who knows in this market, you know what I mean? Use your discretion. Watch the price action and volume and always sell half the position for a profit. Maximize by raising the mental trailing stop on the other half of the position. So if you buy it at 100 and it goes to 200, sell half. It goes to 225, don't sell the second half lower than 200. That's your mental mark. It goes from $1 to $2. You're selling at $1.75, $2. Don't let it go back under $1.75 for the second half. Don't let a profit turn to a loss. You could never lose on the trade. Don't wait for me to start taking your profits. And don't wait for me to cut your losses. And these are the markets. Summertime markets are the markets and will always be. Summertime trading is coming up. My motto, and should be yours, is the following. I'm not looking to be bullish. I'm not looking to be bearish. I'm looking to be right. I'm going to help you gain perspective by going over some high quality growth stock picks. I look for strong stocks that are in play or going to be in play, stocks that are resisting pullbacks, exhibiting great chart patterns, and that are ready to make moves higher, showing you how to recognize signs that point to a new leading industry group and a stock moving higher within them. And I have the new leading industry groups right now in this newsletter. It's the retail apparel, the retail stores. Everything in retail is moving right now. And I've identified 7 stocks this week that are going to fly, in my opinion. This image came, hold on a second. This right here was last Friday's newsletter. I was taking trades on the fly as they presented themselves. Got into AMC at 15. It's 31 today. Fubo 23.90 when 25.60 is 25 today. AHT at 370 is 414, now 427, still 427. And VTNR at 345 to 520 is 620. Now it's 1020. Now it's 1020. I like ITRM and Kodak and Ride as well. Here's my top 7. See the stock Workhorse Group? GME and AMC have big short interest. That's why they're going up so much. This stock has the largest short interest in the entire stock market. It's called Workhorse Group. It's short on its float is 42% of the entire shares are short at $9.37. There's a big short squeeze of upside potential. Workhorse. Did your newsletter send you that? I'm sharing it with you just to show you the power of the Mojo newsletter. So you could say, hey, I remember Mojo shared that with me. Man, I haven't seen none since then. I'm going to get in on some of that now. That's worth the money right there every month. Ooh, Workhorse Group. You want to see another one? Blink charging stations. 35.93% of the entire float is short on Blink charging stations. Okay? Right there. 36%. I traded the stock from 2, it went to 70. Everyone shorted it. It's not going lower. It's base solid relative strength of 99. A relative strength of 99 means it goes from 1 to 99, with 99 being the strongest. That means this stock is outperforming 99% of the stocks in the entire market, and people are shorting it. Just like you shorted AMC at 30.20, more at 30.78, more at 31, because human nature likes you to do that. It's easy. Catch a falling knife. Everyone loves to do that. The other, throwing the knife, you got to be sharp and accurate. Going through the large ask on the level 2 is opposite of human nature. No one does it, but it's the winning way. In golf, hitting a draw, 99% of the people in the world don't do that. I'm talking amateurs, not a pro. All the pros know how to move it either direction. Okay? Because you have to hit it to the right to make it go left. And that's against human nature. No one would do it. That's why everyone's a shitty golfer. That's why everyone's a shitty trader. Because what you need to do to win is opposite of human nature. Blink charging. Go ahead and short that thing down. Look at the base here at 32, 32, 36, double circle right there. Going to test 46.45, squeezing back up to 64.50. Here's Vinco Ventures, BBIG. 20% of its float is short. Going to go retest 287, 486, and 515 with 4 good quarters of earnings. Going from a loss of $2 to a loss of 43 on a nice small float, 27 million. BBIG. Blink, BLNK. Workhorse, WKHS. Once the squeeze starts, you're going to add more. But the squeeze has got to start on those 3 stocks. And then I picked Naked Brands because it traded 279 million shares last week, and it's in the apparel clothing industry. It's going to go test 79 with a rock solid base at 47 to go test $3.40. It's at 62 cents. Naked. When I traded in the room, it's naked and afraid. Love that show. David's Tea. 26 million in the float, going from a loss of 91 to a loss of 69. This company is going to be going to a gain. Retail specialty drinks, adding at $3.98 into $4 Heinz. See, $3.98? Because there's a 98% chance it's going to win. Testing the 2 red circles at 434 and 485 with a 98 relative strength. That means it's stronger than 98% of the stocks in the entire market. I love David's Tea. Cons is in the retail consumer electronics industry. They operate 146 stores in 15 states, offering home appliance, consumer electronics, furnitures, and mattresses. And all the homes are just out of control. They did a 355% increase in their last quarterly earnings, going to test $23.94. That's the Heinz 24. Cons, C-O-N-N. And the last one is Lululemon at $323 a share in a cup and handle to go test 350 Heinz, mini Heinz, 347 double circle, 4 quarters of great earnings in the last 2. Earnings coming out on 6/3, going from $470 a share to $647 a share to $804 a share. Increased analyst estimates for the next 2 years. That's the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter that went out last night to all the subscribers. Wouldn't you love to be a subscriber? That right there has been going on for 8 years. Nothing has changed. Nothing's changed.
I simply had to make my initial operation as nearly a cinch as was humanly possible. Every point that stock went up meant $500 I had not made. The first 10 points advance meant that I would have been able to pyramid. And instead of 500 shares, I might now be carrying 1,000 shares that would be earning for me $1,000 a point. But I sat tight, and instead of listening to my loud-mouthed hopes or to my clamorous beliefs, I heeded only the level voice of my experience and the count.
Here's an auto-closed trade play on a short the other way. When you get auto-closed and you buy and it goes down and it flips, there's going to be a wick happening here. This should maybe be another one because there hasn't been a wick. So there'll be another green bar higher, guys, into 33. And you'll say, wow, Mar. And then it'll wick. People are adding here onto their short because they're desperate and afraid. It's going through 33, the Heinz.
Principle of common sense. Once I got a decent stake together, I could afford to take chances. But without a stake, taking chances, even slight chances, was a luxury utterly beyond my reach. 6 weeks of patience, but in the end, a victory for common sense over greed and hope.
Mm-hmm.
I really began to waver and sweat blood when the stock got up to 90. Think of what I had not made by not buying when I was so bullish. Well, when it got to 98, I said to myself, Bethlehem is going through 100, and when it does, the roof is going to blow clean off. The tape said the same thing, more than plainly. In fact, it used a megaphone. I tell you, I saw 100 on the tape when the ticker was only printing 98. And I knew that wasn't the voice of my hope or the sight of my desire, but the assertion of my tape-reading instinct. So I said to myself, I can't wait until it gets through 100. I have to get it now. It is as good as gone through par. I rushed to Williams & Brown's office and put it in order to buy 500 shares of Bethlehem Steel. The market was then 98. I got 500 shares at 98 to 99. After that, she shot right up and closed that night, I think, at 114 or 115. I bought 500 shares more. The next day, Bethlehem Steel was 145, and I had my stake. But I earned it. Those 6 weeks of waiting for the right moment were the most strenuous and wearing 6 weeks I ever put in. But it paid me, for I now had enough capital to trade in fair-sized lots. I never would have got anywhere just on 500 shares of stock.
Look at the size of the ask at 286. If it goes through that, they're going to bring it down first, and eventually it will go through this. It's going to go right through $3. This is the BBIG, the big short. He disappeared. They undercut him now to 285 by 4. So right now, if you saw that, you don't even know that he's there, but I do. So if you look back here and you're like, oh my God, look at this BBIG. You don't know he's sitting there right there at 286. He may have made a mistake and didn't hide it like he's hiding it right now. The other one is Blink. It's up 60 cents. It's traded 17,000 shares. It's only up 60 cents. It's up 60 cents on only 17,000 shares. You know how many shares are short? Millions. You know how much this stock could be up? Huge. The other one is Workhorse at 960 on 206,000. See it? That thing goes near 990. There's a 90% chance it's going to go through 10. At 998, I'm all in. 999, you're not going to be able to react quick enough. At 10, this is going to be the biggest. It's going to rip right through. Goodbye. And then you...
Knock, knock. Who's there? Nailed it!
That's how you read the level 2. And that's how you trade. And I've been doing that for 30 years. Come join me in the MOJO chat room with the rest of the team here. And join the team, man. It's only $149 a month. You make that in one trade. And you don't even pay commissions anymore. Ameritrade, E-Trade, Sky, all these trade. You don't even pay commissions no more. You used to pay $100 a day in commissions. You never said a word. $2 grand a month, day traders. Now come to the Mojo room, no commissions. Follow the winning picks in the system. There we go. We're off. What is that? Hold on a second. The hell is that? Something's playing. That was weird. Market open. Something's playing. AMC taking a nosedive. Got to figure out where that's playing. Heinz 31. Out. Didn't go into the 90s. I'm going to try it one more time. Adding up, risking a dime. Out. Just not going the right direction. Now it worked. When all my orders didn't get filled. Yeah, I did. 91. Something happened. Executed at 94, 91. Where's my orders? Says I got executed. Oh, accepted. Well, my system messed it up, but you guys could do the Heinz. Sell it. Damn. Can't believe that messed up like that. What the hell was that noise before? Well, I don't know what that noise was before, guys, but there's the Heinz. I missed it on my computer a little bit, big time. No, it finally filled me, but it got me at, yeah, it did, at 3080. Yeah, my computer's all messed up. It shorts, yeah, it's all messed up. I'll buy the dip. Yep. That's all messed up. Orders in that are just not getting done. There's too much action going on the AMC. There's 98, 99, there's 30. Man, it's fast. Real fast AMC trading, baby. BBIG's 297, 298, 299 on BBIG. Blink is taking 1,000 blink and 1,000 workhorse. Marking each. Workhorse ain't even filling. Look at that on market orders, dude. Workhorse not even moving. Filling me. Boom. There we go. Boom. There you go. VTNR with a big bid going lower. See it? The 202 on the bid. Short VTNR. It's going under 10. There's a big signal at 10:02. Short VTNR. Risk 20. Let's go down 50. $1. There's a signal on the bid at 10:02. A big one. There it goes. I told you it would go lower. Cross market 10. Got crushed. 990. Cover up a little bit. Nice. That was a big one. Told you it was a big signal there. And do it again. Now, where's AMC? Not yet. Wait on AMC for a minute or two. OEG was up big today. 550. Went to 630 on 21 million. Right at stopping station. 552. We'll take one here. 552 stopper. Risk 2 cents. I'm out. I risked 2 cents. It went to 50. I ain't let it dump. Big deal. I lost. I could have made money. Big deal. I'll buy it back. That shit goes under 50. Forget about it. It's like going through. Look at that. Boom. Go right down to 40. Told you that was a bad one. Mosey's moving 571. Mosey 567 by 70 with one spike on Mosey. Let me look at the daily real quick. Oh yeah, Mosey looks good. I'll take an entry on Mosey right here. Mosey, M-O-S-Y. Little Mosey. Head up into the Mose. That's a good one right there. 85 already on the Mose. And got to get another one at 82. VTNR headed under 10 now. Naked and Afraid moving up beautifully. Got to take some Naked and have building up a position over here. 100,000 Naked and Afraid. It's traded at 11 million, up 6%. Every one of my picks is doing good. Every one of them picks is doing good. There's AMC selling. Oop. Nice. Getting out of half of it nicely. Okay. 90. 94. Here's the Heinz 30. Selling right into the 30. Done. Sold. Thank you, Mojo. Another good trade on AMC. Mosey, 98. 99 on the Mose. Doing the Heinz 6 on the Mosey. I swear it's printing 6 at 98, dude. And it's 92 bid. They're buying 98 like it's freaking nuts. And it's a 92 bid. I could swear they're printing freaking 98 and it's 95 bid. Crazy, dude. Mosey. Blink's moving. AMC be dropping like a schnocking rock and drop right off 55 stopping station. Little position of AMC. 50. Right off the 50. Stopper. Come on up. Yep, filling on the 50 stopper. Selling back in the 60s. What's my average? 60, that's it. Come on, I thought it'd be in the 50s. Sold 64, sold 74, sold, and sold. 2,000 left. 1,000 left. Made $2,000 on AMC today. What's SQQ at? 90. No way. Great June up first, baby. Nice June 1st, moms. Damn, that's 1090, dude. $10.90. All right, guys, time to punch AMC in the face right at 18 stopper into 29. Should go under and then back through. Here's under. There's the large bid. Boom. Under. And now back through. Told you, go back through. Thank you. Right back through. 29. There you go. Average 29.09 and sold. And sold. And sold, and sold, and sold. Thank you. That's how you work it. That's how you work it, boys. Watching the level 2 on AMC. Because it had a large old bid at 29, went right under there. Thank you very much. Now it's 29.25. Great trading on AMC. In the Mojo room, Blink's moving up 20 cents on Blink, dudes. Look at the Blink. Up 20 cents from the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. Great on the Mojo Swing. Guys, we love the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. Pro Trader Hines, Batman, Allen. Thanks, Allen, for perking the room, bro. Boosting it. Thank you, brother. Kent, thank you so much for boosting the room, my man. Appreciate it, guys, so much. Mention an extra high. I'll have to put a little gift together for you three right there, Masters. Who else down there? Nobody in the Pro Trader side boosted the room, but I'm going to send you guys a little special little gift. You three right there. Mosi up 655, dudes, and you can't even boost the room. I gave you Mosi. Goals 500 for today. Did you hit it? Hey, Saint, why don't you hit 426? You're done. You are done. Because one day you're going to make 550 and you'll make 30 over. So you're not almost done. You are done. Promise me that. Because you know the Mojo way. And then you can type who you are, how long you've been in the Mojo room, what I did for you, and what you've learned. Just take a moment, Pro Trader Saint, and let everyone know, please. Okay? Make me that promise. You've been here for 1 week so far, okay? And you've been taking big losses in the past or in the Mojo room? In the past. And how much did I charge you for the Mojo Day Trading course that you needed? How much did I charge you for that? The course was a gift. Awesome. How much is your subscription each month? He doesn't even know. How much is your subscription? $99. I gave you a laugh out. Yeah, okay. And how's the Swing Trade newsletter? You getting that also? Fire. You love the swing trades. I got to give out new crypto picks. You know, you're going to get crypto picks too. You just eased into workhorse. Beautiful. Nice. I tried to get some of my friends. Told them all about, you know, they're all like Robin Hooded out with GameStop and AMC and all these stocks. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, yeah, you better be careful with Robin Hood, because he steals from the rich and gives to the poor. But it don't always work. Mosi doing nice, 608 on the Mos. Blinks nice, 3506. BBIG 301 at Heinz. BBIG Heinz 301 on BBIG. Add more BBIG. Blink's got a big spread, but I'll add more Blink too. Mosi 615. I'll add some Mosi. Naked, we'll get up to 2,000 in each. Workhorse, blink. Look at that. 2,000 workhorse, 2,000 of those. Oh, I got to sell workhorse. Nah, keep 2,500. Just Chief, can Roblox hit a? I thought it was a 94.95 when I looked at Roblox. I said it could hit 100 today. That's what I said this morning when it was 94.75. Now it's 97. Yeah, I said it this morning, dude. When it was right here. This morning, about right here on these little bar skis. I said, you know what? Roblox go into 100 today for sure. It's a 96% chance it's going to go through 100 right now. I like it at 98. Not 96. 96 will probably dip down first, try to suck people out before going back up. That's what happens, man. Dude, I'm not bullish. I'm not bearish. I'm just right all the time because I know what I'm doing as far as the market. I've been trading for 30 years. You think if charts worked, I'd use them, but they don't. The level 2 works, so I use it. Charts don't work. Ask Pro Trader Saint. Pro Trader Saint, you came in the room. All you were talking about was technical this and technical that and chart this. How important is a chart to you right now, Pro Trader Saint? Would you ever use one again? I wouldn't. What do you need a chart for? Chart is what happens after the fact. See these bars? 96 Heinz right there. I could have told you it made a bar like that 5 minutes ago. What do you need that for? Crazy. Can't wait for my rail grind lesson tonight. Nice. Yeah, I was looking for the 2-minute rail grind on AMC kind of action today. AHT is moving. Little AHT, Ashford Hospitality. It's a little Ashford Hospitality group moving a little bit today. SQQB98? No. Oh. Let me do a login. Dude, you tell me that, I got to log in. Make sure I'm up profitably in my positions. Got a little Heinz action right there, boys. Thanks for letting me know. Did you see last night, Oliver? I was thinking about you as it was drawing into 13.7. Like, Oliver would be telling me right now that it's drawing into Heinz. Yep. Were you looking at it last night as it was drawing up into the number? Were you doing that? I was thinking Oliver right now is going, I'm holding off on my short. It's going to draw up and pull up into the Heinz. It did. It did. Like it's going into 11 right now. Like it's going into 11 right now. And UV is going to go up into 36. 35.50. Mini 36. Buying big positions in both. Right there, VTNR under 10. Under 10 going to get destroyed. Great short at 10.02 with the big bid. It's 10.965. Great short on the VTNR from reading the level 2 on which way it was going to go. Way before. So now look at the bar. Oh, wow, yeah, oh, it's red and coming. Dude, I knew that way long ago. I told you. Told you. Look at SQQ. 98. Guess where it's going? Through 11. How much you want to bet? Who wants to bet against Mojo right now? That's not going to go. It's 10.99. Who is 11? Who wants to bet against Mojo right now? Who's going to bet, dude? There's 11.01. There's 11.02. Who's going to bet against Mojo? Who wants to bet, dude? Who's going to bet against Mojo? You're short. You're losing. Who's going to bet against Mojo? Yo, yo. Who's going to bet against Mojo? Better not bet against Mojo. Go pick up some more of these swings. Mosi back at $6. Yeah, wait a second. I'll buy $5.99. Blink, too big of a spread. I'll wait a minute. Workhorse, I love it. 5 on Workhorse. Building a position. 11.01 on SQQ like a champion. Let me look at my futures. My futures, oh, I'm up 10 pips. 10 pips. Just took a profit right there. 450 done for the day. Paz, I just took some profits right there, baby. 338, 11.3 pips right there on my last one, baby. Got 338 and a 92. Made that's what I just made with you, baby. Look. You made 450. I made 450. How sweet is that? Now I'm up more. 11.02. Gonna sell some right here. Ching. Out. And we'll redo it when it dips again. Nice. Me and Paz made the same exact thing. I made 92 and 340. That's 300. That's 350. That's 450. And he made 450. Done for the day. Done for the day. Let me look what else I made. So show me the money, boys. Show me the money in the Mojo room. Who made money today? Let me see some monies. There's 11.03. There's 11.03. I made $720. NQM1. 720. Allen 2304. I made right here. We're finishing out this one. Got disconnected. Paz, good day today, dude. 100% profitable trades. Did 16 contracts, all winners. Beautiful. It's 11:04 now. $11:05. And my machine's all messed up. Can't even log into it. 11:05. Amazing Heinz move. You're up 42%, really? On the NASDAQ 100? RGB? Awesome, dude. That's power for you, baby. Paz, nice job, guys. You can add reactions in the room, guys. And these guys are taking the time to post that. You can add some reactions. Alan, beautiful work. Beautiful work. Paz, you beautiful job. Summertime. Riding it, baby. Riding it. Yuvi's probably going to go now, too, and follow it. Right here, Yuvi's going to rip. Easy trade on UVXY here. I got to go through and pick some cryptos today. I was hesitant last night, man. I've been watching the crippies. You know, it's like a slow hurricane. It hit hard. And then everyone's like lulled to sleep outside saying, oh, it's nice out, dude. Dude, it's the eye of the hurricane, dude. You better watch out the backside of the hurricanes. Much worse than the front. Much worse. Come on, 50. Come on, UV. Big move on UV coming, guys. Should I bump Mosi or get out of Mosi? Let's get out of Mosi. Workhorse is doing good. 959 on Workhorse. Adding on that one. Going to 10. At 10. Here goes UV popping to 50. Highs 47. Wait till it gets to 48. That's like 98. Ho, 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 ho. If Mojo can double up a position, that's a double up. Look at VTNR up $1 from the short now with the large signal there. CCIV is moving. Look, CCIV, Churchill Capital. Always got that on my screen with my ride. Buy another 1,000 Blink. Workhorse 62 heading into a shiner. Heading up into a shiner. Now it's going to spit on someone. It may do the vomit and the other. You got a 1-800 number call. You know, that's not a sales call. UV really went to 48? PDD. I remember that stock at like 10. It's 136. PDD. AMC is at stopper. See if it holds 50. 51 stopper. Nope. Going to 27 to 32. May go under. There's 27 already. Now it may go to 07. Bounced off 27 strong. Here goes Blink a little bit. Heinz in 35. No signals though. 34. Ooh, big signal at 35.05. Workhorse is 62, 63 now. High 65 on Workhorse. Going to add Workhorse. UV, I'm good. SQQ back under 11, adding. Naked's holding strong, adding. Blink, nothing. This one's 301 now. I'm going to add here. Nice. What does this say? This is between Pro Trader RJB and Pro Trader Allen. And Pro Trader RJB says, I'm riding the short. Allen says, nice. That's nice. That'd be cool. That'd be cool, dude. Dude, let's see what the news is. Let's see what's moving the markets. Alrighty. Let's do a little picking. A little pick and choosing, shall we? This is Coinbase. Now, Coinbase, my outlook on the crypto is, okay. Okay, 37,000. I don't like that number. You know what number I like? 39,998. Because then it'll go through 40. But right here, it's going to go to stopping station. What I've been talking about, 35,000 again. And go test that and then dump under it to 32. Stopping station. And then go test 30,007. Just like the stocks do that we're watching. Ethereum's going to hold its ground between 200 range. It went to 1907 last time I picked it, right here on the MOJO website, under my watch lists. Go to the crypto list. 1907. Oh, I got to load new ones. See, it says loading. So we're going to put some new ones up there today. Cardano, Uniswap, Internet Computer. I was telling my buddy this weekend, if I was a company growing fast, I would want to go as an ICO, an initial coin offering, rather than an initial public offering. Because an initial public offering is centralized. Everyone has their hands in the pie. It's run by investment bankers. They're all scammers. They all care about themselves and their own business, like everybody does. Until you own your own business, you don't realize that the only one you care about is yourself and your own business. Your employees are replaceable. Okay? So, what do you want to do? You want to go centralized in the stock market, or you want to go decentralized and you own everything? You're the boss. You control the supply, who's got it, where it's going, nobody's hands are in the pie. I'd pick the ICO rather than the IPO. Let's sort by price. Anchor, still 11 cents. Let's head over to the cryptos. And there's a Bitcoin competition. Anchor, Mirror Protocol, I had on there too. Banker Network Token. All right, here we go. Scale was 41. It's 45. So here's the picks that I'm going off right here on 526. I'm reading them off. I'll see what they're doing right now. Anchor at 11 is still 11. NKN is at 40 cents. Picked it at 39. Scale at 41 is 45. Ren at 52 is 59. Cartesi at 82 is 70. Cartesi's down 12 cents from that pick. Cardano at $1.73 is $1.73. EOS at 616 is 634. Dash at 207. Dash is 192. Banker Network Token at 491 is 465. Mirror Protocol at 462 is 485. See, they're not really doing much. Here's a new one that got it. IXRLC is a Ethereum token for the IZEC cloud platform, in which users can monetize and rent computer power and data. I was trying to explain this to people this weekend. It's just so far above. I'll be right back. UVXY is ripping, dude. Look, went through mini Hines 50. It's at 70. UV's ripping. And it's funny, no one has it in the chat room, because I would have seen something in the chat room. No one has it in the chat room. It's amazing. It is. SQQ, take some profits over here again. Doing a nice launch right here. Oh, that's great. At least I got you. Pro Trader Money came on. Former Mojo trader says, don't trust him, he'll burn you. That's a disgruntled trader, guys, who lost in the Mojo Day Trade room. What happened was this trader got an OCGN. Never in his life did, I remember the story, did the trader ever make money. And then he came to the Mojo room and was up $300,000 in this stock. It went from $1.50 and it went to $18.77. And he was up $300,000. And I said, dude, sell it and take the profit, man. Sell half, maximize the rest. Don't let the rest go lower than you sold the first. You can't lose on the trade. He didn't listen. It went all the way back down to $6. He lost everything and was just greedy. And now I'm the bad guy. I just hate that, dude. I've got thousands and thousands of people that I've taught, and I've got hundreds and hundreds of people that have written me letters, taken the time to take letters and write me letters that, like Pro Trader Saint today, on how it's changed and what they've done for them. Here's on my website, there's 50 pages of these letters. And some of the people have made videos. A lot of these people are still with me today. So if I'm such a burner and a scammer, why is Pro Trader Allen still in the room paying me a subscription every month? Why? Ant's still here. Colin's around every once in a while. Saywin's still here. These are guys from 9 years ago. Steve-O's in the room. Vivain's in the room. Look. Here's Master Pro Trader Vivain right there. She's in the room. Here's Alan. He left already for the day. Why would the people do that? So Money, you've given me some good advertising here, dude. Why would people do this if I'm such a scam and a burn? Keith, Fry, Smith. And you wrote one too before you got disgruntled, which is amazing. Pro Trader Zine, Marsh, and Mark, Ali, McNeely, and Hawk, Life, Phil, and Kent. Kent's in the room right now. So is Phil. And so is Life. All of them. Why would they still be on a subscription for 9 years if I'm such a burn? That doesn't make sense at all. So thanks for identifying yourself for the block. I appreciate it. Now I report unwanted commercial content, hate speech, harassment, or bullying. So now I report you. Right here. I'm going to report you for harassment. See that? Report. If you believe you're in danger from this person, I can contact my local law enforcement and their law enforcement and report it. We'll remove this content as it violates community guidelines. There you go. Thank you. And now it's been removed. And now I can go in and block all those. So thanks for letting me advertise for myself, man. 11.16 on SQQ. I'm gonna take a profit. It's a big burn. I'm up $2,700, $3,000 on that trade. Done. Boom. Thanks. I'm up $3,000 I made on that trade. 1120. On my stock, I'm up 1,000. And on UVXY, I'm up 12,000. Heinz 36. Sold half. How's that trading for the day? Oh, I wasn't on the mic, but how's that trading for the day, guys? I was on the mic on YouTube just now talking about this, how I'm such a burn, how I burn everybody. I burned you right there, didn't I? Burned you with some cash. That's how I nailed it, baby, right there. With $3,385 trade. 67 pips. I got on that sucker. All them pips, dude. That's big money trading, dude. Big money trading. Boom, baby. Pooh, 3,357 on that trade. Sweet. Keep burning you, Mar. I'll keep burning you, buddy. You got it. I'll keep on burning you all day long. I know you. If you would have heard me on YouTube, I was raging. This guy was like, money. Remember Pro Trader Money? He lost on OCGN. He was up 300 grand. I told him to take a profit. He didn't. Remember? He just bashed me on social media, dude. Like he's got nothing better to do. A guy that really made 300 grand would be kicking back, dude, not hating anybody. A guy that lost all his money, and especially the guy that told him to take a profit, all he sits there is grin. He can't get me out of his freaking mind, dude. How I'm going to bash Mojo. He scammed me, man. Oh, big disgruntled trader. He scammed me. That Mojo. Ooh. You know what's the best? Is like when I'm playing golf, I'm in this league and stuff, and the people are like, they practice so amazing, and then they get out there. They couldn't, the one group I played with last time, they couldn't even hit the ball, dude. You know whose fault it was? Mine. Dude, we're watching. We're standing around. We're watching. They can't perform, dude. So they say, you know, on the range, you're not around. I do good, but you guys are watching me. I can't perform, dude. You're a disgruntled golfer, dude. You shouldn't even be out there in the first place. It's not the right place for you. Yep. Dumbasses, they won't take advice. Then they get pissed because of their own stupidity. Yep. It's an amazing thing. It's an amazing thing. It's an amazing thing. Dude, I'm like, dude, let's do the cryptos. Doing all the cryptos together. You won 1,000. You won on SHIB. You won on all sick, right? But the one right there, we lose on, oh, you're all disgruntled and shit. Mike scammed me. It's the worst, dude. It's like, get a freaking life, dude. You freaking go to the casino and you lose at the table. You cry to the fucking dealer. You cry to the matriarch. You want to go out, buddy? Don't go to the goddamn casino, man. Don't go to the goddamn casino. I'll give you a list of the crypto winners. Yeah, big deal. I've been doing crypto before anybody did crypto, dude. I've spotted every winner there is. There's no small cap stocks no more. There's only medium caps. All the small caps have grown up. They're not 50 cents in a dollar anymore. They're 5, 10, and 20. It's not a lot of small stocks anymore. I picked Lululemon. I didn't think small. It's $300. Big time. My other one was Ride right here at $10. Ethereum's a good buy right now, $26. Ethereum's a good buy, 26. Lululemon's 317, Workhorse is 930, Blink's 34, and BBIC's 3. Watch what happens to those one day. You can be like, holy crap. I saw it was up 6%. Look at the large ask at 301. Guess where it's going? It's kind of even with the 60 bid, but it should go through that 301 on the large ask. Beautiful. Amazing. Just amazing. Am I getting bashed on my own show? Still? Come on, AMC. Let's see 40? No, that ain't happening, bro. That ain't happening. It's going to bounce off stopper right under there. See that big bid at 29, how it went right under it? Large, big old bid. What's SQQ at 1122? See my trade history. It's not adjusting. It should adjust. It should adjust. We'll see my last 100 trades. Here's my last 100 trades. Made 3,357. Made 107. Made 338. Lost 200. I got stopped out. 20 pips is my limit. Got stopped out. Got stopped out. Got stopped out. Made 75 bucks. I got stopped out. I got stopped out. At 20 pips. This one I made 67, I made 10 and 11, I made 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2. So the little ones, they add up. I got stopped out, 200. I got stopped out, 20 pips. Made 11, made 14, made 80 pips, 2,375. I got stopped out, 20 pips. So what's happening is, I'm going like this. Winning. And then, well, the first win was in here. That's $3,400. Big one. I got stopped out of a bunch right here at 20%, which is double the size of those. And then I hit a bunch more of these with a big one, 2,300. And then I had another streak of them reds, got stopped out. 20%, 20 pips. And then I won again. A couple of nice ones. I went on a win streak. And that's how it is right there. See that account? Up 100%. It's 100% gain. Right there. see if it's refreshed. There you go. 100% gain. All right, UVs and SQQs come down a little bit. Nice. Good day today. Killed it today, really. We did good. Showed you how to read the level 2 today, man. Some big value right there. Showed you how to read that level 2. Gotta like that. Trading that level 2 with the big signal on the ass. Gotta remember that. Launch. 11:15, guys. Launch. I think we get a little rocket up here. A little launch for. Roblox is still hanging in there at 96. OEG is trending up. Keep an eye on that. Smash that like button, dudes. Come on now. You don't have to crush me on social media. You can like me. I ain't a bad guy, dude. You know, there's 1 or 2 people out there that hate me because they lost their money when they knew. It's like, dude, I give you the code to the vault and you go in and you mess it all up, dude. And everyone else is getting rich and you blame it on MOJ. Dude, you blame it on yourself, dude. Remember, I'm the one that kicked you out. That's how it happens. Because they become idiots. I kick them out of the MOJO crew. And then they're going to crush. They're going to put me down. They're going to contact every former MOJO and do everything within their wherewithal to crush me. That's what their mission in life is now. Since they don't have a trading account, or they lost all their money, or the majority of it, they can't live with themselves or tell their missus what's happened. They're going to get MOJO. Make it their life's mission. That's what these people write to me and tell me. It's fucking crazy, dude. It really is. It really is crazy, dude. You know what I say? Rah. Dude, come on, baby. I'm the fucking Hulk, baby. You ain't messing up shit. Because I got the power of the team behind me, man. Look at that. She'll come at you like a bitch. You ain't doing nothing to the MOJO. Because that's you right there. And I'm coming in like a goddamn wrecking ball with the Heinz and the system and thousands of people that say, yo, dude, don't screw with the MOJ because you're a loser, dude. There you go. That's the power of the MOJ. That's the power of them. People like to put blame on other people, won't learn anything. Yeah, that's the way it is, dude. It's like Zach, you know, Zach Morris. They hate him too, dude. He ain't a bad guy. I'm following Zach on Twitter. They're bashing Zach too, dude. Right here, yeah, Zachy. Zach was on a business trip last week, dude. He's back, though. Great start of the month. Oh, look, he's in my fucking picks. BBIG and HIT. 23 minutes ago. Oh, my gosh. Are they in my newsletter? Zach, are you in my chat room? How do they have my same picks? That's weird. That's weird. That's weird. He's on a business trip. But yeah, he was like, people were trashing him. He's like, dude, screw you, dude. How does your screen setup look like for the morning flush level 2 in any new play? Dude, is he? Dude, no one does level 2 but me. Zach, are you in my damn room? Zach's in the Mojo room. Hashtag. Zach's in the Mojo room. I have too many followers. I'm DJ. I think he was drunk right here playing songs. I follow him. But yeah, he's some people were bashing. He's playing all these songs. I think he was partying crazy. So it's too many tweets, man. Just can't follow it. Nice start to June. 11:02 today in the Mojo room, Mr. Marr. Nice work. Nice work. I think I'm going to do another SQQ trade right here. Lonfin. Half size, though. Just do 5. $11.14. Do another one. In another. Down $180. Oh, another comic coming up in the Mojo room. This is between Mar and the bot. Ooh. 11:02 today in the Mojo room at Mike Mar. You reached level 2, dude. Nice start to June. Mr. Mar, look at you hollering, yo, baby. Look at you. I like that guy. I like that guy. Added at 12. OEG's up at 96. Did move up from that uptrend. From that uptrend, she be up. Hey, workhorse dumped. I'm going to buy some of that on the dump. Got to add on the dip and the rip. Naked. Same thing, my swing pick, getting up to 15. Blank, I'm good with. PBIG, I'm good with. AHT is my other pick right here. I picked it the other day. AHT. He's in my newsletter, dude. Look. Three new picks. Well, that was my crypto. Oh, no, I didn't. That's when I picked cracks. I'm surprised he didn't come out with cracks. Here it was. Fubo, AHT, VTNR, and SOS. Traded 36 million, 25 million, 8 million, and 2.8 at the time. Was 372 when I picked it. VTNR was 356. Now VTNR is 10, and this one 442. All right, guys, it's break time. Thanks for watching the MOJO Day Trading Show. Gonna kick it up into another level on another day. At the end of my show, you'll see other videos pop up. Check those out. Thanks for watching the MOJO Show. Comments appreciated. Peace. Take it easy.
Showing